Yeah.
So guys, it's the game number 1, the BK57. It's the BK57 Wild West. I'll first check its iron sight. Bro, I'm not able to climb out of the window here. Bro, its iron sight is so good. Okay, this is the only epic BK50. I will be using this one only. Also, the BK57, many people are in the community are saying, bro, again a bot killed me from side. People are saying in the community that the BK has got a small nerve, has nerved in the caller secretly nerved the BK57 in recoil. The time I'm recording it does not feel like, but today, the day I'm sending it and uploading the video, I was testing the BK57 ranked yesterday. When I was at crash with the hard point, the recoil seemed to be a bit more. I don't know why, with the grip also. Okay, one player above also. You're dead. Okay, so they are spawning there, I guess. Yep. Okay, he's above. Headshot. Oh, its iron sight is really good. I think I'm gonna use this iron sight. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna use this iron sight, bro. So good. It's pointy like a king's helmet. Wait, let me. Okay, he's dead. Let me, reload just a bit quick. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, Okay, there were 2 players dead. It's such a good skin. I don't know. Okay, so I got my VTOL. Okay, so I died also. I was trying to get a new, but I died. Let's call it in, I guess. Yeah, let's call it in. There's no issue. Okay, oh, I was in the middle of some, bro. I call it in. The sitting. I should have hid in some house. Oh, they'll kill me, I guess. They'll kill me and I'll spawn there. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of kills in the video. Bro, they are spawning there. Are you kidding me? Why? Why, dude? Why? I don't know where are they spawning. What? What? Okay, where are they spawning? Bro, they are just. I just hate this game. Just give me freaking rigged. Let's call the counter and the UAV. So guys, should I do a fan made, a subscriber made loadout? Should I do that? You guys will give me a loader and I will play with it in rank. Of course, I will not be able to get a nuke. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and inside of today's video, I'll be showing you guys the BK57 Wild West and the M4MG Moonstone. Also, I will tell you how to get those gold items fast. So, this is the BK57 Wild West. I got it just 1 or 2 3 days back. Okay, what that guy was doing, I don't know. Wait, yeah, I got it 2 to 3 days back, and it's a double new gameplay. So watch till the end. One BK nuke and one M4MG Moonstone nuke. So guys, watch till the end. So about that, so the first fastest way to get it is by playing either kill confirm, or if you want, it's more faster to get it by kills confirmed. But if you can also do BR, you can get. I prefer BR in myself. BR or kill confirmed. You can get lot of from BR also and kill confirmed also. You can just land at circles, get yourself a good amount of loot, and just start destroying those barrels, and you will get the gold. Either your teammate digs the treasure, or you dig the treasure. You both of you will get the gold. So don't worry about that. So if you got a first VTOL to have, so you have to do this in kill confirm. First get your one VTOL, and then start killing enemies with your death machine before calling in the Waiter, so that you're close to another Waiter. So I'm just seeing where are those enemies. Okay, here is one. Bro, he's one shot. Yeah, no, that's a kill confirmed. Let's see, let's see. Okay, he was hiding there. Okay, so I think we are pretty damn close to another VTOL. So let me finish the whole mag and then we'll run to a safe spot. Okay, what that guy is doing there? Okay, so here, so you kill one person and pick up the doctors and you will get it. So I will just go up here, throne and call him a VTOL. So this is the easiest way to get more gold in kill confirm, and let your teammates pick up the tags. At, so this is the easiest way. And I think in kill confirm you get lot of kills. You can get a lot of kills if your teammate does not take take the dog tag. So next, so now I'm just killing them and I'm getting gold and golds. Let's see. So it's going. Okay, so I think we are close to another Vetool. I think we are very close to another Vetool. I don't know how much points we are away. I think 1 or 2 kills away. Let's say I have to pick up the tags. Okay, so we got our Vetool and I have to kill him. I have no ammo. The only bad thing about this is that you have to take. Wait. Yeah. So you have to take the dog tags. You have to take the dog tags. In the sense that so that you get kills, that everyone knows. Also, you cannot pick up enemies' weapons in kill confirm. So make sure that you are running vulture, because you can see I'm running low on J358 also, and I recommend using a pistol if you are not using vulture. And the best green perk I'm telling you right now, it's either hardwired or what do we say that? It's either hardwired. Okay, so we got a new. Let's go, dude. Let's go. The match is about to end. Please let me call it in. Let's call it in. Please let it drop. No. Oh, and a bot killed me from behind. I was trying to use an emote. Okay, so the match ended. So guys, here the 1000 gold reward. The what is it that? M4MG Moonstone. So it's looking really good. I'm telling you right now, it's like a glacier skin, but with a rainbow kind of a shade. And what do we say that? And a faster animation. Glacier skins have animation, but it's really damn slow. I don't know why it was that, but and they're rare skins. So I'm running the in this M4MG class. I'm running, what do we say that? I'm running, yeah, cold-blooded, flak jacket, I guess, yeah, and third perk, dead silence. It's my favorite. It's the best perk in the game. So let me reload a quick. Let's see. I'm running forklift, what do you say, FMJ and quick draw. Let's see. Okay. Yes, let's go. Anyone coming? Also, I don't know what happened in that. Yesterday I was playing, I was just playing casually. So one guy was, then at the B, what do I say that? The B captured the B flag and domination. So he was standing here. I didn't know he was. I don't know he was there, but I just shot and saw. I just scoped in and shot one bullet and he was dead. I didn't even know that he was here, because so guys, this is a new gameplay. The M4MG nuke. The nuke. I was telling that should I make a leaks video about the Cordite SMG lucky draw and or the the Type 25 Bloody Avengers or whatever it was their gold legendary Type 25 leaks video. If you want me to make a video, just let me know in the comments. Also, guys, my viewers are not subscribed. My 77% viewers are not subscribed. Guys, why aren't you subscribing? Hit that subscribe button right now. If you enjoying this video, you will definitely enjoy my other videos. And I'm actually uploading this video a bit late. I couldn't upload in the past 1 or 2 days. I just got it, 1 or 2 days ago. I was trying to go for a multi-new gameplay, every new gameplay, but I couldn't call in the new, so that's why I didn't put the video and then put the new gameplay in the video. I just got it, but I couldn't call it in or it didn't drop. Let's see. It's a fucking laser. Also, which skin do you like? The full MG heat stroke or the moonstone? I like the heat stroke skin because they have a bit faster animation. That's why I like those. But this skin is also really good. In my person, I really like the heat stroke skin. That's why, guys. So also, I was telling you that I'm literally free right now. I can play with you guys, but if you are in the Garena version, I cannot play with you. Some of my one or two of my subscribers are not in the global version, so I don't know. So I could not play with you, bro. Wait, what? What? That's literally insane. You're telling me that my shots did not hit? That's insane, bro. Also, should I make a fan loadouts video or the subscriber you guys give me? Okay, so we got the new. Okay, that's our teammate. So should I make a video on the loadouts you will give, and I will try and I will use those loadouts and win them in RAM. So guys, the video has dropped. So guys, today's video is ending here, and see you guys.